What should excite us no longer excite us as a church. If I said this in the next 3 weeks, God will make you a billionaire, everybody will jump. He has the capacity to do that. But also, he said, those who honor me, I will honor. How do you honor a man who has a need that you can meet? It's by meeting that need. It's by meeting that need. You can't say you love me or you value me without treating my children right. So this morning, one more time, God has a need, and his needs is that he desires that every of your neighbor, every of your friend will become a Christian. Not necessarily attending your church, but God wants everyone that you deal with. As a matter of fact, to every platform that God gives you, your platform may be that you do POS business. Your platform may be that you drive Taxify. Your platform may be that you play keyboard. Whatever platform, you may be a bank manager, you may be a CEO of an organization, you may be a hairdresser, a beautician, a clothes maker, whatever platform God has given you. He wants that platform to be an opportunity for his influence to go around the nations.